I said it. It's time to do it. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today is the day. It's finally here. I'm going to do a full main choice wash day. Main choice and I have not had a great relationship. So today I have the Main Choice Prickly Pear Paradise Penetrating Strength and Superfood Infusion Applied to Dry Overnight Mask. Like all of Courtney's products, this is infused with biotin and vitamin D and E. Soak amino acids intensively moisturize and repair. Antioxidant-rich formula improves strength, significantly softens and conditions, nourishes strands and reduces breakage, and is gentle enough for daily use. I'm not deep conditioning every day. The directions: apply directly to dry, unclean hair. Cover with a plastic cap. Leave on for up to 12 hours. And if I look like I'm struggling to read this, it is because I am. The font is not only small, it's white. And the packaging is like reflective. I am struggling. First couple of ingredients: water. I won't be saying any scientific names. Prickly pear cactus extract, sea kelp extract, safflower seed oil. This one I can say. Cocos nucifera, which is coconut oil. Glycerin. There's also aloe vera. We'll try and use our Googles, won't we? After the dry overnight mask, I'm going to be using the No Poo Conditioning Cleanse Foam. It's infused with prickly pear cactus oil and pumpkin seed oil. This is a lather-free cleanser, conditioner, and co-wash that gently cleanses and conditions in one step. This is claiming to be a lightweight, non-stripping formula. It leaves hair feeling soft and tangle-free, delivers lasting moisture and shine, and is also gentle enough for daily use. This is also infused with biotin and vitamin D and E, and it is claiming that it's for all hair types. It's giving me a lot of body, but we're gonna give it a try. Directions: wet hair thoroughly with warm water. Squeeze a small amount into palm of hand and apply to scalp and hair. Wait at least 60 seconds, then rinse. For best results, follow with the Prickly Pear Paradise Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I have that too. This is the Prickly Pear Paradise Leave-In Conditioning Cream. Also infused with prickly pear cactus oil and pumpkin seed oil. Also infused with biotin and vitamin D and E, and it's for all hair types. Leave-In claims natural oils form a protective barrier around each strand, detangles and increases flexibility, leaves hair feeling soft and tangle-free, adds lasting moisture and shine, and is gentle enough for daily use. Everything from this line that I have is stating that it has no mineral oil, no petroleum, and no parabens. Lastly, to style, I have the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Pearly Braid Out Glaze, also infused with biotin. This cleanser delivers amazing definition and flexible hold, restores and locks in longer lasting moisture, smooths, softens, minimizes frizz, and helps to reduce breakage and minimize shedding. Best results: used as a styler for braid outs and twist outs, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply the dry overnight mask, let it simmer, then I'm going to come back and apply the cleanser for you guys, rinse that out, and then apply the leave-in, and then we're going to style with this. Alright, as you can see, hair is dry. I don't even know if it's like picking up on camera, but it's thirsty, sis. It's old, it's dirty, it's 2-week-old hair, and it's time. I let my hair be good and dirty for you all so that I could apply this mask with you so that we could do this together. I haven't opened these or anything. I'm literally just opening it now. Oh, she smells good. I don't know why I wasn't expecting it to smell like pear, but it smells like pears. Obviously you can see it's pink. And it's pretty thick. Oh, that smells good. It kind of is giving me like a lotion-y kind of texture. It smells like Victoria's Secrets, like all the old school Victoria's Secrets fragrance wearers. This smells like that pear fragrance from Victoria's Secrets, like that, the green packaging, like back in the day. The texture, super creamy, and you can see like she's slippery. We're not gonna waste her though, so. Let me go ahead and take my hair down and let's apply this. Whew, child. It's got a good amount of slip too, and I feel like I didn't use that much considering I'm applying on dry hair. So you guys saw how it applied to this first section. It's nice. My hair is liking it, at least so far. But we'll see how this goes. I dare not say the L word this soon, but I really like it so far. The fact that I can glide my fingers through my hair pretty effortlessly and I have no water in my hair. Courtney might be onto something. Gonna apply my plastic cap and I'm gonna let this sit. I did not use a lot. I feel like I'm gonna get at least a good 4, maybe even 5 uses from this. It is 12 ounces. This doesn't mention anything about applying heat, so I'm going to do exactly what the direction says because I feel like that's probably going to give me the best results. This says to cover with a plastic cap and leave it on for up to 12 hours. So I'm going to leave it on for at least 8 to 10 hours. See how it looks, rinse it out, and then apply the No Poo Conditioning Cleanse Foam. And we'll see what happens from there.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, it's been about 10 hours. That's long enough. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out and I'll be back. Courtney, sis, I like this. Now, apparently there is some type of cleansing ingredients in the mask as well. I'm not necessarily getting that, but she's soft. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the cleansing foam. See how I like that. A few things to note. This is claiming to be a lightweight, non-stripping formula. It's supposed to leave your hair feeling soft and tangle-free. My hair felt softer after I rinsed the mask. It was also tangle-free after I rinsed the mask because the mask had so much slip. My hair is tangled. Very, very tangled. And I feel like it's going to be stripped too, but I will confirm that once I rinse it out. Be right back. Let's be clear. My hair is tangled and it's stripped. Christina Aguilera. Okay? Stripped. It smells good. That's a no for me. If you like really need a clarifier, but to say that it's non-stripping, I don't agree. Anywho, we're gonna go in with the leave-in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the leave-in and just kind of prep it for a braid out glaze. I'm going to take about that much. You can see it's a little more watery than the mask. Oh, she feels good. Okay, go ahead. Maybe a quarter size for each section. Tangles wear. Stripped wear. This is pretty bomb. Just on contact. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but it seems like the leave-in is kind of like foaming. But I don't mind that. Okay, so I have the leave-in applied to every section. I'm going to go in and section off where I want my part. I think I'm going to do a side part this time. And then I'm going to go through and apply the braid out glaze. Oh, that's nice. Sweet, but not obnoxious. Interesting texture. With that one, I decided to remove the excess product. I just felt compelled to. Okay, so I finished my braids with the braid out glaze. I'm gonna let these air dry. It's gonna take a few days, but I'll be back and show you my results. It's been a while. It's time for the takedown. I wasn't gonna be able to walk around for 2 days with my hair braided, looking like Celie. So I had my slap cut them. Get you one. They always got a sale, and they're bomb. So here's what I'm looking like. They feel firm, like there's a slight cast. Not mad at that. I'm not going to use any oil, at least not yet. Just want to see what's going to happen without it. Let's go ahead and start taking them down. Definition is undeniable. Go ahead and style, and then I'll come back and give my final thoughts. keep playing with it because that's just what I do. But I would think that my hair is probably about a 7 out of 10. 1, there's a bit of a gel cast. I see why the packaging says to use it sparingly. 2, my hair smells great. 3, the definition is there, and I do feel like this is going to last me throughout the week. Another reason why it might be a 7 instead of like an 8 or a 9 is because there's like a tackiness, like a coating on my hair. And then if I do this type of thing, like there's like a residue, you probably can't see it, but it looks good. It's not flaky, shiny enough, and my hair doesn't feel dry. Of course, if you don't like it, the great thing about some of these products being exclusive to like Target or Walgreens is you can return them. I always forget these. I would say that this wash day with Main Choice was a success. Let me know if you try any of these products. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you in the next one.